Oh, yeah. Would you just try to microwave out of my head that time? Anyways. To jackasses. Should I listen to music instead while they threaten me there, too? Yeah, you just turn it up. Microwave everything. Turn their brains into beans so they can't even frickin' think. You know our heads are this big? We're supposed to be thinking a lot more than what we are. Who says I'm funny? Oh, yeah, that's right. Once again, they're laughing at me because they're saying I can't do nothing. They think that's funny. They think they're just over there running the show. Bunch of crackers. I ain't seeing much color lately. Who's we? Who's not getting it? Because why? Oh, because I can't be stopped. We don't want to stop, but we have to. All right, sounds good to me. Pencil that one.